Hello student, welcome to my class. Today I will be discussing chapter number 14 and the name of the chapter is National Festivals. We celebrate many festivals, okay? So like Eid, Holi, Diwali, Durga Puja, Christmas, all these things are festivals, okay? So there are two kinds of festivals. One is religious festival and one is national festival. So in this chapter we are going to study about national festivals, okay? So let me start the chapter now. We celebrate many festivals. Some are religious festivals such as Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, Holi, Onam, Baisakhi, Bihu, Christmas, etc. All these things are what? Religious festivals. Only the religious people celebrate. Suppose Hindu people celebrate Durga Puja, that is a festival, okay? Then Holi, okay? A Muslim celebrates Eid, okay? So the religious people, okay? Particular religion, Hindu celebrates Hindu religion festival, Muslim celebrate, Islam religion celebrates Islam religion festival, Christian they celebrate the Christmas, okay? They celebrate the Christian religion festivals, okay? So the religious wise festivals which we celebrate, which people celebrate, that is said to be a religious festivals. But other than these, we celebrate national festivals also. So national festival is said because the people of nation celebrates, the whole people of the nations, whether they are Muslim, whether they are Christian, whether they are Hindu, whether they are Sikh, okay, they celebrate these festivals, okay, they celebrate this festival, a particular festival that is said to be a national festival because the whole nation celebrates that particular festival, okay, not a particular religion people celebrates a particular religious festival, okay. So Independence Day is said to be a national festival. So we say the Independence Day is a national festival because whole nation celebrates the Independence Day. India became free on 15th August 1947. We got our independence. We became free from British rules. Okay. So India became free from the British rule on this day. That is 15th August 1947. India became free. So every year 15th August we celebrate as an Independence Day. The main function is held at the Red Fort in capital India, Delhi. The main function of Independence Day is celebrated at Red Fort. Okay, that is the India's capital, Delhi. Red Fort is present in Delhi and Delhi is the capital of India. So on this day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. So on the Independence Day, our Prime Minister hoists the national flag on that day. Okay, hoist means to rise up the national flag. Okay, with the help of a rope and pulley. Okay, so rise the national flag. So our present Prime Minister, the name of our present Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. Okay. So the national anthem is sang at the time of raising up the flag, at the time of hoisting the flag, the national anthem, and you know very well the national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. Okay, so we people sing this song on that particular day, Independence Day, okay, while hoisting the flag. Now Republic Day is also a national festival, okay, which all the people of India celebrates, okay, not a particular religion people celebrates. Every people, I already told you, every people, whether they are Sikh, whether they are Islam people, whether they are Christianity, whether Hinduism, everyone celebrates this one, okay. So Republic Day, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. India became republic on 26th January 1950. So India became republic on 26th January 1950. The celebration is held at the Rajpath in Delhi. Independence Day, the main Independence Day celebration is held on Red Fort, which is in Delhi, and Delhi is the capital of India. And Republic Day celebration is held at Rajpath. Okay, Rajpath. A grand parade take place. A grand parade take place on that day. Okay, so army people, army armed forces, they do the grand parade. Police and the school children also do the parade. Okay, they march. Okay. So armed forces, police and school children take part in that parade. In parade, I mean the school children, armed forces. Okay, so all they take part in parade. So jackies are a special feature of parades. Jackies is a tibulus. Okay, so is the special features. Okay, special features of the parade. The President of India hoists the national flag and takes the salute. The national anthem is sang here. The Republic Day is hosted by President of India and our present president. The name of our present president is Ramnath Govind. Okay, Govind. So, and he was the flag. The President of India was the flag. Okay, and the President of India is said to be the first citizen of India also. Okay, so Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is also a national festival. We know that who is our national father? Obviously, M.K. Gandhi. That is, the full name of Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. In short, we call it as M.K. Gandhi. Okay, by giving respect, because he is a he's a father of our nation. We call, in short, we can call it as Gandhi Ji. Okay, giving respect. Okay. So Pankaj asked Manish, do you know who is called the father of our nation? Yes, Pankaj asked to Manish that do you know who is the father of our nation? So Manish said Mahatma Gandhi. Pankaj said you are right. As I already told you, father of our nation is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869. So, when was he born? 2nd October 1869. So, every year of 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. So, his birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. The main function is held at Gandhiji's Samadhi at Rajghat in Delhi. So the main function held Gandhiji's Samadhi, that is tomb. Okay, tomb. Okay, in his tomb it is celebrated. Okay, the main function is celebrated in his Samadhi, which is present on Rajghat in Delhi. All religious prayers is held here. All type of religious prayers is held there. Okay, at Rajghat when the celebration takes place. Okay, so here ends the discussion of this chapter. If you have any questions, any doubt regarding this chapter, you can call me between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'll clarify your